Now I am going to take more problems on BODMAS. Few problems I have taken in the previous video. Now I am taking few more questions on the BODMAS. Like here in this question we can see that big bracket is given, small bracket is given, as well as the curly bracket is also given to you. Here one more thing, in the previous video I have clearly mentioned, then when the brackets are separated by plus sign or minus sign, then in the single step you can solve the two operations. Similarly, if I see in this small bracket there is multiplication and subtraction. So at first the multiplication process will be solved. Clear? Now here in the curly bracket only one number is there, number is there. There is no number with it in operation before this minus 5. After minus 5 plus sign is written, that means whatever the result of this bracket will come, it will be added with minus 5. But when I come in the big bracket, so the big bracket is separated from the curly bracket by the minus sign. Here the two operations are given, one is off and another is addition. So in the single step I can solve this multiplication of and the multiplication inside the small bracket. Okay, so start doing. 7 minus 3. 5 of 6. Of means multiplication. So 5 of 6 means 5 multiplied 6, that will come 30. Minus plus small bracket 18 minus 8. Now at the same time I can solve this and this. So 7 minus 30 minus 3, yeah, minus 3 plus 30, it will come 27, minus 5 plus 18 minus 8, it will come 10. Now curly bracket and a big bracket will be closed. Now minus 5 and plus 10, when you solve this, it will come 5. 7 minus 27 minus 10 minus 5, 5. Okay. Now 7 minus 27 minus 5. Then 27 minus 5, it will come 22. 7 minus 22. Now 7 minus 22, it will come minus 15. Okay. So answer is minus 15. ठीक है. So in this way you can solve the BODMAS. Here we have taken off also, bracket also, multiplication also and division also. Now one of the very important problem that I want to tell you, it is very much important. Okay. So mind this is very important question. Right now what we have seen, that the curly bracket or small bracket are separated from each other by either plus sign or minus sign. Now here the situation has come. Here you are having the big bracket also. Big bracket is separated by the curly bracket with minus sign. But in the big bracket there is no operation except this 3 and this subtraction, and before 3 there is no operation. Okay. But now when I come into the curly bracket, so it is written 64 divided by 2 multiplied. Here what is coming, whatever the result of this small bracket will come, it first multiplied with 2 and then the division process in this curly bracket will take place, because the curly bracket and the small bracket are not separated by plus or minus sign. They are separated by division sign. Okay. So at the same time I cannot solve this curly bracket and the small bracket. I have to solve one by one. The very first I will solve this small bracket. Okay. So what will come? 4 plus 3 minus 64 divided by 2, and here it will come 8. Now when between the number and between the two number there is a bracket and no other operation like division, addition, subtraction is not there, then it will be assumed to be multiplied. Okay, it is said that it will be multiplied. So what will come? 4 plus 3 minus 64 plus 64 divided by 2 multiplied 8. Solve it. Now as the bracket is opening, that's why this multiplication will solve at first. 4 plus 3 minus 64 divided by 16. Now solve the division. So what will come? 4 plus 3 minus 4. Now open the bracket. 4 plus 3 minus 4. So 3 minus 4, that means minus 1. 4 plus minus 1, that will be 4 minus 1, 3. So in this way you got the answer. Answer is 3. So here the most important thing is this: between this bracket and 2 there is no sign, addition subtraction is not there. So at first this bracket will be solved. Whatever the result will come, it will be multiplied with 2 at first, then further operations are going to be solved. So mind this type of problem very minutely. Now this is the last problem that I am going to take, which is very much important, same as this. Like here also you can see that 5 is multiplied with 6 minus 3. So at first this 6 minus 3 will be solved, and then whatever the result will come, it will be multiplied with 5. Then only the curly bracket will be solved. So 2 minus 6 minus 2 plus 5 into 3. 5 into 3 means 15. 2 minus 6 minus 2 plus 15. Solve this curly bracket. 2 minus 6 minus 17. Now 2 minus 6 minus 17. 6 minus 17, that is minus 11. Now open this big bracket, minus minus will become plus, 2 plus 11, that will come 13. So answer is 13. Got it? So in this way we can solve these type of BODMAS questions. One more problem comes, one more word you have heard, that is BODMAS. BODMAS is nothing, it is parenthesis, E for exponent, and then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Parenthesis means bracket. Exponents means of, but in the case of higher classes and higher mathematics, the multiplication will sometimes comes in the form of exponent. So if in any question parenthesis is also there and exponents is also there, so after bracket the exponents will be solved. Okay, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction will be solved. Okay, so this was all about the BODMAS, and this was the last video on integer of class 7. So you can refer my channel to get the complete step by step understanding for the integer of class 7. In class 7 the integers are covering multiplication and division, the properties of integer for different arithmetic operations, distributive property, and BODMAS. So I have made all separated videos on each and every topic. Go thoroughly on my channel. You will find everything reasonable, everything there in my channel. For further videos, for further chapters, subscribe my channel, share my channel, follow it, and don't forget to press the bell icon. so that you will find out the new videos whenever I am going to upload it. Till then, keep practicing. Good luck.